But make sure that you do this and check the license, because usually you can't actually use them. Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video, I'm on a new Canva account, one that is not my actual Canva account with all my designs, so it's going to be really easy for me to show you how to get Canva Pro and also to answer the question of, is Canva Pro worth it? So let's get straight into the video with no messing around. So you can see I just press this, try Canva Pro, try it free for 30 days. I'm then going to insert my credit card details, so I'll be back with you in just 1 second. So here you go. Now you can see we are in Canva Pro and we have all these different things and all these differences that it's made by having a Pro account. Now this actually costs £10.50, or I think around $13 per month if you choose to stay on after the free trial ends. So let me show you what it can do. So let's hop onto this design here for a start. This is one that I showed you in a tutorial previously of how to make a guest book. So the main differences with Canva and Canva Pro is that with Canva Pro you get folders. So for example, I can press here, create a new folder, and if I was doing the wedding niche, let's just do this, create folder, then basically I can put all my wedding graphics in this folder, so it's really easy to find rather than having to go on here on uploads and then scroll through to find any relevant pictures when I may need them again in the future. So if we go on Creative Fabrica, let's download some wedding graphics. And then I'm also going to show you how to upload fonts into Canva as well, which is another great feature of Canva Pro. Without Canva Pro, you cannot upload your own fonts into it. And the other main difference is, I guess, just the elements. So if I search, I don't know, fish, you can use a lot of these designs that you couldn't usually use before, but make sure that you do this and check the license, because usually you can't actually use them. So I really would be very careful. Just press down here. And you can see down here, it's going to say it's free for Canva Pro users, but for commercial license, you're going to have to pay some money to use this image. So I really wouldn't use this on your books on Amazon. Now we're on this here, so what we will do is download some sort of wedding graphics. Let's go with this one down here. 32 elements of hand-painted clip art. So hit download. Give it 1 second. There we go, watercolor wedding, that seems pretty good. So we've got 10 minutes left to wait for this download. So when it's finished, I'll meet you back at this video. So just while that is downloading, I want to show you a couple of the other features in Canva Pro that I really like. So we've been through this one already, upload custom fonts. We've been through the one about folders. So the other main thing that I like is easily find your designs with search. So when you are on here and you're on all your designs, you now have the search bar where, for example, if you know that you'd created a notebook about pugs, I just search pug. Obviously you can see it's just there. What did I call it? Okay, I didn't call it pug, but if you'd called it pug, you'd be able to really easily find it with the search bar, and that's only available in Canva Pro. So we'll keep looking through this list, and you can resize designs into custom dimensions. So let's say you calculated your dimensions a little bit wrong, or you just simply want to change it to a brand new size. All you need to do is hit resize, and it's going to give you some options, or you can of course choose custom dimensions. So I'm going to change this one when it loads. Apologies for this hotel Wi-Fi. It's not the best, but let's just say I wanted to turn this into a Facebook cover. It's going to change the size for us automatically, and then we just need to probably adjust some of the images on there. So you can see now it's the size of a Facebook cover, and that's absolutely fantastic. So you can see it's just a little bit different in size, but it makes all that difference if you wanted to actually use this as your Facebook cover. So is that all of the features that I wanted to talk about? I think it is. This one is quite good as well. Download designs with a transparent background. That's useful. Maybe not for KDP, but for certain things, it's certainly a nice feature to have. For the price of Canva Pro, I'd say all these features are pretty good values. So now that we've actually downloaded the zip file, I'm going to open it and I'll meet you back here. So all I need to do now is click Select Files, open this. You can see these all PNGs, so that's absolutely perfect. Hit this. And now the folder is going to start filling up with all these beautiful wedding images that we could use on this guest book or on any other book that we would like to create. So these are a bunch of really nice flowers. Then you've got the car, a couple of different formats, some more flowers. Of course, there's a lot more on Creative Fabrica than just that. While that's loading, let's actually do the fonts. So all we want to do is go on here, fonts. Let's search wedding and see if there's any nice wedding fonts that somebody has created. Okay, so which one do I like? Okay, so let's just go with this one. A premium font, which sounds great to me. All you want to do is hit download. Again, apologies for this hotel Wi-Fi, it's not the fastest. Oh, there we go, it's actually finished. So all I want to do now is expand the zip file, and then I'll show you what to do after that. So in order to upload these fonts, what you've got to do is go to Brand Kit, Brand Fonts, and then come down here, click Upload a Font, and you want to go to Downloads, find the folder, and you can see there's a bold version, a medium version, and a medium version again. So let's just upload these two. By uploading custom fonts, I acknowledge I am the owner. Yes, because on Creative Fabrica we have commercial license, unlimited downloads, etc, etc. So when this has finished uploading, so all you want to do to access the font is just refresh the page, and then I should be able to change it to my selected and newly downloaded font. So there we go. Just press that there, and you can see now we have an absolutely incredibly different and unique font. Maybe I wouldn't actually use this, but just for the purposes of the video, I was just showing you how to actually download and then upload the font into Canva. So I hope that was a good tutorial. So let's just say we wanted to say tutorial. I can't really even read that. Let's go for some other letters that maybe are not so crazy. I think when you capitalize a letter, it goes crazy. So let's just keep all lowercase. Wednesday, that's today. Let's just write that. So that looks pretty nice. In fact, maybe you could use that. And then let's just say we wanted to go to our folder. All you do is come down here, go to wedding, and let's see if the Wi-Fi is going to play ball. They haven't actually all uploaded yet, so let's try and see what's going on. Yeah, they've not yet finished uploading. I'm on some slow Wi-Fi here in this hotel in Singapore, and I do apologize for that, but hopefully you get the gist of this tutorial. So Canva Pro is a really good price. It lets you create folders for each niche. It lets you upload your own fonts from Creative Fabrica or wherever else you want to get your fonts from. It lets you resize things really easily. It lets you use transparent designs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You get unlimited storage as well for all photos, graphics, etc, etc. So it's definitely worth it if you can get it for £10, $50 or $12 per month. As long as you're making maybe $100 a month in royalties, then it's certainly worth it, and you can certainly improve your designs when you've got access and you can use these different fonts, and you can also create those folders really easily for each niche. So I hope it's been a useful video. Don't forget to subscribe, and new videos are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.